Aussies replaced pounds for easier dollars in February 1966, saying goodbye to complex shillings and hello to decimal simplicity. The $1, $2, $10, and $20 had exact exchange rates with pounds and were a similar color to the notes they replaced. The $5 was not introduced until May 1967, when the public had become more familiar with decimal currency. The original notes were designed by Gordon Andrews. Banknotes issued between 1966 and 1973 bore the title Commonwealth of Australia. The legal tender phrase read as legal tender throughout the Commonwealth of Australia and the territories of the Commonwealth. Starting from 1974, the title on the new notes only read Australia. The legal tender phrase was also changed to This Australian note is legal tender throughout Australia and its territories. The $50 note was introduced in 1973, in response to inflation requiring larger denominations for transactions. The $100 note was introduced in 1984, in response to inflation requiring larger denominations for transactions. Australia's iconic Mob of Roo $1 coin was introduced in 1984, to replace the $1 banknote. This short-lived 1984 version, featuring the Arnold Meckin portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, was quickly replaced in 1985 with a new $1 coin bearing Raphael David Makhlouf's portrait of Queen Elizabeth. Aussies bid adieu to $2 banknote in 1988, with a $2 coin.